What's going on, everybody? This is Jaden with How to Apple, and in this video I'm going to show you how to record 4K videos with your iPhone. So we're going to go over to settings, and you can find that if you just swipe to the left and start typing in settings. Pops up right there. And I'm going to scroll down until I see camera, which is right here. And you can see where it says record video. I'm going to click on that, and mine is set to 1080p HD at 60 frames per second. I can change that to 4K at 60 frames per second. So whenever I go to my camera app, now it will default to record in 4K video at 60 frames per second. So that was a quick little tutorial for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel so you can learn how to Apple without the E.